Good evening, folks. This is Sean Munning talking here. Hope you guys having a good evening. Um, TGIM, as Tissa would say. Um, the reason I'm doing this training here is it's from this post you see that I did on Facebook in the 10x Blogger for Now Lifestyle, which is an awesome system to use, and found different ways to use it. And the reason I'm doing this training is a result of a traffic run I did, a test run. It's the first one I did on a Optin page I created in ClickFunnels. I did 100 clicks to test it, and I ran it this morning. Um, and I got really great results, as you see, 53% Optin rate for 100 clicks. So as David in the comments said that I should do a training, I totally agree. And I was thinking of doing one because I was going to share the ClickFunnel code for anybody that wants to use the same funnel that I'm going to show you. But I deleted it right after because there's a few elements you need to know in order to run it successfully. And if you miss certain elements, it's not going to work properly. So hence why I'm doing this training this evening. So whether you use ClickFunnels or you don't, I'm going to use ClickFunnels as my testing ground because that's what I used. And I'm going to, the share code for the ClickFunnel um, for the same set of funnel I'm going to show you is going to be in the comments below or text above, depending on how you're seeing this video on YouTube or in the 10x Blogger site itself. So what I did was I decided, I said, okay, I know Tessa and his gremlins are really hard at work, and they're trying to create pages for solo ads. So I decided I've been playing around with the ClickFunnels and just getting to know everything about it. And using a couple of funnels, I figured my way around it a little bit. So they said, well, look, like this 10x Blogger is a really awesome tool to use. And when you do have that system, you have an opportunity to take any blog post, and it's like over 2,000 articles, blog posts, videos in the blog itself, which is customized to you. So I really highly recommend you think about purchasing the 10x Blogger. Now, in the blog post, I found a perfect site to use because now what they have is they do have a tool that you actually can use. This is the site that they have for you, right? It's coded to you. So what you're going to do is usually this is what you use and you send out for people to opt in. So I just took it a step further and decided to use a blog post because that when someone opts into there, it goes to one of the blog posts that they have chosen. And that's going to be in here. You click on here. That's going to take you to the actual blogger. Now, what they did use is, find it. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff in there. It's a lot of great video posts and regular posts in there. Well, let's just simply try and log in, and you'll see exactly how it works. So I'm just going to log in. Click for free video, they go through it. and it's going to take you to this video right here. As you see, this is something new that they put in here, because people, some things come to the inbox, sometimes it's a spam folder, sometimes it goes to promotion folder if you Gmail, which most people do. But this is the post that it goes to. So like I said, I want to do some a step further. So I went through some of the videos here and some of the things, and one thing caught my eye was this. This one would change your business, because what you want to do, you want to create a ClickFunnel page, Optin page, that is going to be something that can pull people's interest in and give and sign up to it. So as I was going through this, I kind of laughed, because the video I saw here with Frank Kern, I actually saw this video just prior to this being posted. And I went through the video, and it's also a video from Frank Kern where he talks about this one thing. And you just watch the video, it's really amazing. So in deciding to get doing this post right here, I decided to use it. So what you do is, it's ready here. So I take this link here. I take that link and copy it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to these are for people who have 10x Blogger. You'll go to your main page here on the blog, which you'll sign in through your Facebook or however you sign on to it. You'll see this page here. You're going to have this page here, which takes you to the actual blog. And then you have this called show link. So what's going to do is going to come up to an area which really is awesome, because you can create any link for any blog post. Okay, so you just basically take the link here, just paste it in, and Bob's your uncle, generate. And now that happens sometimes, but all you do is just go back. I don't know why it does that, but that's okay. Just generate, and it'll come up with the link for the blog post. Okay, so you do take that, copy it, and you're gonna put it somewhere. Just put it on a notepad or somewhere to save it, or you can just keep this page open. What we're gonna do now is go to the ClickFunnel. Now, if you don't have ClickFunnels, you can just follow for now. What we're going to do, there's 2 steps to this. It's going to be ClickFunnels, and then we're going to go over to Now Lifestyle. We're going to show you how to attach it, take the code from there, create a form, take the code, bring it back to ClickFunnels, paste it in, so that the page, when someone opts in, it goes, that email can go to the autoresponder in the 10x Blogger, as it does with the page I showed you prior that you already have, as well as going to the post that the link that you just copied. All right. So let me see if I can go back before I get here. Like I said before, I gave you the share code. So if you're following me along in this video, make sure you log into ClickFunnels, and then simply just copy and paste that link into it should be the same as this here, this copy right here. Make sure that and then the funnel that I'm going to show you will come up. It'll come up just like this. Okay, you'll generate it, and then you can go into it, and it'll be just like this. Okay. So there's a couple of things you need to do. Now, depending on if you want to use this exact funnel, make sure you take that exact link I showed you and use that link. But you can always take the same format I've got for you. You can find another link and you can change the wording around to how you want to do it. So I'm going to show you how I came up with the words in here, okay, that are compelling. It's let me see here. Okay, so the first thing, once you download this, you got this on your screen, get on to edit page. All right, if you don't have ClickFunnels, I'm going to show you what you can do with your other page builders. If you need the HTML form, I'm going to show you how to get it in an autoresponder from Now Lifestyle. So this is going to come up when you edit the page, okay? Elements on here. The first thing you'll want you to do is go to settings, go to general, the general settings, and you're going to put that link that you got right here, okay? So you're going to, don't worry about this that's on here. It's going to be blank. Just paste it into there, okay? And that's it. Just come out of there, click save. Right. Next thing you're going to do is go to settings and integrations. Now this is where you can connect the autoresponder. Now stop. Don't do anything else. Stop right here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to stop here. You're going to have another page, another tab open, and you're going to go to your Now Lifestyle account. Okay. Go from here. You're going to go to Now Lifestyle Product Suite. You're going to go then to your autoresponder. You're going to go down. You're going to go down to forms. Go down to create form. Now, before you do anything else, you're going to make sure your campaign is set to 10x Blogger for Now Lifestyle. Make sure that shows. Okay, if you don't, you're going to be creating another form for another campaign. And that's going to really screw things up. So make sure you pay attention to that. And it should be the first one that's on there. So that's pretty easy to follow. You're going to create a name. Whatever name you want to put, it's not going to show up anywhere. Just create a name. 10x opt-in page. Or whatever you want to put there, just so you know what it is. Or 10x CF page for ClickFunnels. What you're going to do is you're going to click on this, English, go down to custom URL. And then you have two areas here. You put your URL. Okay, make sure the middle one you just copied, you're going to take that link that you copied right here, and you're going to paste it right here. You're going to paste it again, already subscribed, thank you page, and you're going to paste it there again. Okay, you're going to scroll down. You're going to see all this. This is what I want you to do. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Don't touch anything. Don't mess around with anything. Leave it as it is. Trust me. It's for your own benefit. So you go down and you click add. Okay. What it's going to do is going to take you to, once you've done that, you're going to click on forms list. You're going to go to your Optin page, wherever page form you created. You're going to click on this HTML in the middle here. You click on that. Code comes up. You're going to open up the page to make sure that you copy this HTML code properly. Okay? If you don't, it's going to cause a problem. So just copy that. You come out of there. You can go right back to where we started. That's why I say you leave the tab there and leave it open. You're going to go here. Now what you're going to do is, because that's why I copied it, because I'm going to, when I change this, it should be something like, you have this here up there from another funnel, but I use that, but you probably have something like this. select integrator, you just get on to integrate existing form, and it's going to give you a form here. It says paste your HTML code here. That's going to be the code you just copied. Okay, so I'm going to keep mine at this so I can keep it saved. Okay, so just paste it. That's the code you pasted in. And you're going to click this button here. It says parse. See if I said it properly. And save web form. You're going to click that. It's going to save it. Then when you do scroll down a little bit, you're going to see email not synced. You're going to put a down arrow and you click on email. Okay, that's it. You click out of it and you can click save. Okay. And that'll be it for the codes, change the codes. Now, let's see here. If you know ClickFunnels, you can do anything with any page. If you want to use this and change it around, that's up to you. But like I said, the wording on here pretty much took it off the actual link where it was. Where is it? Right here. So if you go and see this link, see this one thing will change your business. The vast majority of marketers are doing it all wrong. So I took an element of that and just changed it around to appeal to the person who comes to this page, and it intrigues them. Like understanding this one thing in bold and underline would change everything about how you market your business. So at the top here, the vast majority of marketers are doing it all wrong, like the first sentence says. So, and then I just added this, watch how this top Nigerian marketer showed you how. Where should we send the free video? You got to enter email and get instant access. That's how I was able to get over 50% Optin rate. Okay, it might not happen all the time, but that was my first run. I'm going to do some other runs, but that's just, if you want to use this, you're happy to use it. I want you to use it. I want you to get great results out of it and be successful with it. So I'll be posting more results as I go along, but that's pretty much it. As long as you save it, and you can actually go ahead and just use it now. It should be all set and ready to go. All right. And that's it. So you guys with that don't have ClickFunnels, or you have a long page builder, like I said, I just showed you how you just create the form, take that HTML code, and I don't know how your page builder is set up, but that code would probably help you. Most page builders should have a setting where you can put in your HTML code, and it should be fine with that. But other than that, it's great to share with you my results and my funnel I built yesterday, and actually I built 2 days ago, and I sent it out to a celeb provider. Never used them before, but I tried them, 100 clicks. So I got great results from it. So I'll probably be using them again with even more clicks. But if you want to use the funnel, you're happy to use it. If you got ClickFunnels, that's great. If you don't have 10x Blogger, if you're finding this on YouTube or somewhere else, and you want to use 10x Blogger, it's a really awesome tool to use. It's for dedicated to now lifestyle or business. If you want any more information on it, you'll see the information below on the YouTube channel. So you guys have a great night, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.